Hi, it's Miss Nikki, and I'm back. I wanted to introduce you to my dog. His name is Teddy. Teddy, you say hello? Ted? These are all my friends, all my preschool friends. I hope you enjoy seeing him just as much as I enjoy petting him. Teddy is a Pomeranian. That's the kind of dog he is. He has 2 ears, 2 eyes, a black nose, and a pink little tongue. Ted, can I have a kiss? Can you give Mommy a kissy? Yeah, he likes to give kisses, and his fur is so soft. He has 4 paws, 4 legs, and a tail that's very fluffy, and a collar that he wears so that we know he knows his name, and if he ever gets lost, people know where he belongs to and where he lives. Teddy likes to go on walks. Yeah, I say the word walks. His ears perk up because he gets excited. He loves to look out the window. He loves to bark at cars. He can't wait for the mail to come every day. When the mail comes through the mail slot, he gets so excited he lets us know that the mail is there. But most of all, I love Teddy because he's part of my family. I just wanted to share that with you. Bye, friends.